morning, dears. Yesterday we have completed question number 1 from exercise 7.3. In question number 2, here we have to get the prime factors of a number using factored tree method. So here we have to make factored tree for the given numbers, and then we have to write the prime factorization. 2a, you can see it is given 81. So we'll write 81. Then 3 into 27. The first number should be prime number. Then the second number will be composite. Now this 27 further can be broken. 3 into 9. Now this 9 is a composite number. This further can be broken. 3 into 3. Is it? So finally we are getting the prime factorization of 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. So this is the prime factorization for 81. Look at number C, 72. So we'll write 72 here. Is divisible by 2. So 2, 36. Again 2, 18. 2, 9, and this 9 will be 3 into 3, is it? So 72 is equal to, we'll write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is the way to get the prime factorization using factored tree. Let us see some more. Question number E, it is given 84. So we'll write 84 is divisible by 2. So 2 into 42, 2 into 21, 3 into 7. So what do we get? 84 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Is it? Number H, 65. So we'll write 65 here. 6 plus 5, 11, not divisible by 3. So 5, 13. Both are prime numbers, so 65 is equal to 5 into 13. So this is the way to draw factor tree. Is it, my dear? Look at number J. It is given 48. So we'll write 48. Break is divisible by 2. 24s are. Further it is divisible by 2. 12s are. 2. 6s are. 2. 3s are. So we get 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 48. So hope you can do number 2. There is no problem in writing number 2. Number 3, you have to get the prime factorization by the division method. Here you have to divide the number and then you have to write the prime factorization. So let us see question number 3 now from exercise 7.3. So we'll start dividing 66. Once place 2, 6. So it is divisible by 2. 33. Now it is not divisible by 3. Now it is divisible by 3. 11. 11 is a prime number. So when you get the last prime number, stop division. No need to divide more. So it gives you 2 into 3 into 11. Is it? Number D, you see 105. Start dividing. You should know the rules of divisibility. It's not divisible by 2 because one's place there is a 5. 5 plus 1 6 means divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Again it is not divisible by 3 because 3 plus 5 8. So it is divisible by 5. So what do you get? 105 is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. So this is the way to get the prime factorization method using division method. E number 42. Now 42, 2 21s are, 3 7s are. So 42 is equal to, you get 2 into 3 into 7. The C number H 99. So we write 99 here. 3 11. So 99 is equal to 3 into 3 into 11. Number J 256. Once place 6, so divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again divisible by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Divisible by 2, 32. Divisible by 2, 16. Divisible by 2, 8. Divisible by 2, 4. Divisible by 2. To always take the smaller number. So what do you get? 256 is equal to 8 times 2, is it? So this is the way we get the prime factors of a number using factor tree method and division method. So for today you have to finish only these two sums in your copy. Next day we will be learning how to find HCF, highest common factor. Okay my dear, and if there is any doubt you can ask me in comment box. Thank you.